Hi friends, Assalamu alaikum, Namaste, Sat Sri Akal. This is Ali from Khammam City, Telangana State. In this video, we are going to discuss how to program Hyundai Grand i10 2018 model add key or all key last procedure by DP5. For this, we have to use ID47 normal whose KMD number is 651 hash, and also we can use KD NB series remotes. To generate ID in KD NB series remote, we have to generate it as ID47 blank and the remote as i10 Grand India with 433 MHz frequency separately. And also we can use Exhaust Super Remotes. To generate ID and remote, we have to generate it as Grand i10 ID47 with frequency 433 MHz. So in this Exhaust remotes, both the remote and the ID generated simultaneously. So no need to generate them separately. In this, we are going to add a new key so that turn on the ignition with an original key. To program the ID and remote by DP5, we have to go for IMO option and then select Hyundai Genesis option. And here we have to go for latest version or any other lower versions also. Now our tool is initializing, VCI is upgrading, VCI is upgrading, initializing, authorizing. Here first of all we have to read the pin code for this vehicle to program the ID. For this we have to go for read pin code option. Here we got two options, blade and proximity, so we should go for blade option. And here we have to enter read pin code option, the second one. And now we have to go for read pin code via OBD, onboard diagnostic. Now communicating, reading data. The tool is reading data. Now we got the pin code as 549290. So this is our pin code for this vehicle. So by DP5 we can read the Hyundai pin codes very easily. And now read pin code procedure is completed. After reading the pin code to program the ID, we should start right from the beginning. That is from Hyundai, from the latest version. Now initializing, VCI is upgrading. VCI is upgrading now. Initializing, authorizing. Here we have to enter Hyundai. In this we got two options, that is manual select model and manual select system. We should go for any of them, but now we are going manual select model. Here we got the regions of the world like Africa, Asia, Australia, Europe, Middle East. And now we have to enter Asia. In this again we have to enter China. And now the vehicle name is Mistra in the last one. Ascent, Sonata, Tucson, Elantra, Sonata. In the last we will get Mistra CF. And now we have three options, that is blade, proximity, remote. And in this one we should go for blade option. And again we got live data, program keys, advanced functions. We should go for program keys. After this function is executed, all the keys will be erased and reprogrammed to use. If you need to perform this function, please have all the keys ready, enter to continue, escape to return. So in this message the tool is saying that all keys will be erased, means the original keys are going to erase. That means nothing but same procedure for adding the keys or doing the all key lost programming. Okay, so in this case I want to make an additional key, so I am pressing enter. Here we got the message as insert the key and switch ignition on. Now turn on the ignition with an original key. Pressing enter. It's communicating. Now we got the message as communication breakdown. Why this happens means this Mistra option is not supporting this particular vehicle. So we should go for other ways to program. For that we have to go back and back. Here I am going back and back, again back, again back, again back. Out of these two options we have to go for manual select system, that is the second one. In this we have three options, that is blade, remote, proximity. So we should go for blade. And now we have a lot of options right from type 1 to type 9. So here we have to check one by one all the types in which our vehicle is going to support. But here I am directly going to type 6 CAN. Again we got here live data, program keys, advanced functions. So out of these three options we should go for program keys. Here we got the message as after this function is executed, all the keys will be erased and reprogrammed to use. If you need to perform this function, please have all the keys ready, press enter to continue or escape to return. So I am pressing enter here. We got the message as insert the key and switch ignition on. So I already turned on the ignition with an original key, so I am pressing enter. Now it's communicating. And here we got the message as please input the pin code. Note 3 consecutive incorrect pin codes will cause the ECU to enter the IMO state. Means if we enter 3 consecutive wrong pin codes, the ECM will be locked. If this happens, we should turn on the ignition and leave it for approximately 1 hour, then automatically the ECU will be unlocked. So we have to carefully enter the pin code which is read earlier. So I am entering 5 4 9 2 3 0 and press enter. Now it's communicating. Whether to program the first key means that earlier in this procedure all the keys are erased. So we need to reprogram all the existing keys. That's why I need to reprogram the existing original key. So here I am pressing enter. So program success. Whether to program next one, press enter to continue. That means our existing original key is reprogrammed successfully. Now we need to program the second key. So press enter. Got the message as insert key and switch ignition on. That means we have to insert the second key and turn on the ignition. Now press enter. It's communicating. Program success. Check it out. Program success. Whether to program next one, press enter to continue. Means our second key is also programmed successfully. If you want to program any other case, then press enter, otherwise press escape. In this case I don't want to program any more keys, so I am pressing escape. Now we have the message as turn off the ignition for 10 seconds, then turn on the ignition. Means we should turn off the ignition for 10 seconds, then after ignition on. Now the number of current keys is 2. Now program is completed for ID. Now it's communicating. Finish. Our program is completed. We have to go back and back. And now we should go for remote option. And now we have two options, 10 pin, 16 pin. Go for 16 pin OBD coupler. And here we got different types right from type 1 to type 9. So one by one we have to check all the types in which our remote is going to program. But here I am going to select type 6 CAN. we should go for program remotes. And now it's saying switch ignition on, communicating. And now it's saying switch ignition on and then switch ignition off, and remove the key. Press enter to continue. Here we should turn on the ignition and then turn off the ignition and remove the key from the ignition. Now press enter. It's communicating. Program remote. Press lock or unlock for more than 1 second. That means we have to press and hold lock button or unlock button for more than 1 second. Now it's communicating. Program success, whether to program next one. That means we in this vehicle we have to program 2 remotes. So one remote is completed. Now I want to program the second remote. That's why I'm pressing enter. Communicating. Program remote. Press lock or unlock for more than 1 second. So we have to press either lock button or unlock button for more than 1 second. Now also program success, whether to program next one. No, I don't want to program any more remotes for this vehicle. Just I want to program only 2 remotes. That's why I'm pressing escape. Now program complete. Now our vehicle Grand i10, Hyundai Grand i10 2018 model. Check it out, sports version, Grand i10 Hyundai. So this is our second KD B series remote. Now I am inserting the key and turn on the ignition. Now check it out, our vehicle got started. I am giving the raising, and now turn off the ignition and checking the remotes. Lock, unlock, lock, unlock, lock. Now this is the original remote. Now I am inserting the key and switch ignition on. Now check it out, with the first key also the vehicle got started. I am raising the vehicle. Now we should check the remote. Switch ignition off and remove the key. Now check the remotes. Lock, unlock. Good.
चल ले बैठो बैठ के लाइट जब लाइट आ रही लाइट लगती है ना